So how to clean the lenses of an Oculus Quest 3 or Oculus Quest 2. So from time to time you will want to clean the lenses, to wipe them. Probably you might think that some glass wipes can work. However, do not use something like this, because such wipes contain certain chemicals which will damage the lenses. Even if you have used something like this in the past, probably the lenses are still in good condition. However, you might notice some kind of bloom effect, because the lenses have some sort of coating, and if you use something like this, it will damage that coating and you will notice the blooming effect. However, the headset is still good to go, so do not use glass wipes or any kind of wipes. What you need to use is a microfiber cloth like this. And also do not use anything that involves liquid in any cases. Do not use something like that, because there is a good possibility that liquid will go inside the lenses and probably it will damage something inside there. So you just take a clean microfiber cloth and you just gently wipe them like this. Do not apply any force. Okay, and the right one. Okay, and now they are clean. So this is how you should clean your Oculus Quest 3 lenses. I will repeat, do not use anything that has liquids, any kind of wipes, only a microfiber cloth, which should be clean. And usually you should not insist of cleaning them too often, probably once a month or something like that. You can clean them, being sure that you're using them correctly, so you don't touch the lenses, and even your eyelashes will not touch the lenses. If you feel like it's touching them, you can adjust the distance between your face and the lenses. Probably you already know how to do that. By pressing this button you can just increase the distance. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.